Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rahma Yuliana. My ID number is 121 Alright. Our present material about language skills. On the first slide, there are questions about language skill. Question number 1. Do you have problems or difficulties in language skills? And what problems or difficulty it is? Question number 2. Do you know the cause of the problems or difficulty in language skills? And what the cause of your problems or difficulty in language skills? Question number 3. Is there an impact from language skills problems or difficulties in your learning activities? And what is the impact? Question number 4. Have you found a way to solve your problem in language skills? And what method you use to solve your problem in language skills? And the last question, whether the method you use can overcome your language skills problems and how that method can solve your problem. The next slide is a description of the question. The first, speaking skills. Number 1, there are problem or difficulties in speaking skill, hard to pronounce English accent. Number 2, the cause of their problems or difficulties in speaking skill, inappropriate speaking learning method so that they have difficulty in speaking English. Number 3, the impact of speaking skill problems or difficulties in their learning activities. The impact experienced in this case is that the language is very difficult for the interlocutor to understand. Number 4, the method to solve their problems or difficulties in speaking skills. The method is by watching movies without using subtitles. And last, how did that method solve their problems in speaking skill? This method teaches how to speak with the correct accent so that he can solve their problem. The second, listening skills. Number 1, their problem or difficulties in listening skill, hard to interpret words that are almost the same. Number 2, the cause of the problems or difficulties in listening skill. The cause of problem or difficulties encountered in listening skills is that sometimes she gets confused between words and sounds. In listening, she often hears sounds that are similar but have different meanings. Number 3, the impact of listening skill problems or difficulties in their learning activities. The impact on learning activities in language skills. Listening is one of the most important things. So when a lecturer of friend who speak in English and listen to it, she sometimes experiences this problem. Number 4, the method to solve their problems or difficulties in listening skill. The method is listening to audio files such as podcasts to learn to understand sound that are the same but have different meanings, and also make observation in the context of my sentences, how well the words are almost the same when spoken. And the last, how did that method solve their problem in listening skill? With this method, she learns how to solve this problem, and one of the most effective ways is if she continues to practice observing so that she can know which words are actually used in sentences. The fourth, writing skills. Number 1, their problem or difficulties in writing skill, lack of ideas include when writing. Number 2, the cause of their problems or difficulties in writing skill, not looking for references so that there are no ideas that can be registered. Number 3, the impact of writing skill problem or difficulties in their learning activities. The impact is when the lecturer gives assignment that require writing. Number 4, the method to solve their problems or difficulties in writing skill by pouring interesting ideas into writing so that she can keep writing. And last, how did that method solve their problem in writing skill? This method makes she more confident in writing and can solve her problems in writing. For reading skill. Number one, the problem or difficulties in reading skill. Feel lazy and bored when looking at writing. It is too long, so it's easy to get bored when reading the text. Number two, because of the problems or difficulties in reading skill, the reason may be in terms of the time, so that he has more times for other activities than having to read. Maybe even in his spare time, he prefers to sleep than read. Number three, the impact of reading skill problems or difficulties in their learning activities, lack of knowledge. As we know, that books are the window to the world, and reading is the key to the window to the world. Number four, the method to solve the problems or difficulties in reading skill. The method used may be to start looking for a favorite novel, book, or comic so that it can create a sense of meaning to read. And the last, how did the method solve the problem in writing skill? This method might really be able to solve this problem because on the other hand, the books that are read are books that make him interested so that he can keep him reading. Then in the next slide is the evidence from the person I have asked. The first is speaking skills. He asked, number one, yes, I have difficulty speaking English. Number two, I have difficulty pronouncing an English accent. Number three, yes, I know the cause of my language problem. Number four, maybe my learning method in speaking is not quite right, so that until now I have had difficulties in speaking English. Number five, yes. Number six, the impact I experienced in this case, my language was very difficult for the other person to understand. Number seven, not yet. Number eight, maybe by watching movies without using subtitles. Number nine, maybe. Number 10, the method teaches me how to speak with the correct accent so that I can solve the problem. The second, listening skill. She asked, number one, yes. Number two, my problem in language skill is listening. Number three, yes. Number four, the cause of the problem or difficulties I face in listening skill is that sometimes I get confused between words and sounds. In listening, I often hear sounds that are similar but have different meanings. Number five, yes. Number six, its impact on learning activities because in language skills, listening is one of the most important things. So when a lecturer or my friends spoke in English and I listen to it, I sometimes have these problems. Number seven, yes. Number eight, my method is to listening to audio files such as podcasts to learn to understand the same sounds but have different meanings, and also to make observation in the context of my sentences. Think about where the words are almost the same when they are spoken. Number nine, yes, enough to solve the problem. Number 10, I think with this method, I learned how to solve this problem in one of the most effective ways is if I keep practicing observing so that I can find out which words are actually used in sentences. The third writing skills, she asked, number one, yes, I have problem with writing. Number two, lack of ideas that I open in a class. Number 3, yes. Number 4, the reason is not looking for references so that there are no ideas that can be registered. Number 5, yes, of course. Number 6, the impact is when the lecturer gives assignment where they are required to write. Number 7 is I have found. Number 8, be careful of interesting ideas in writing so that they can make me keep writing. Number 9, yes. And the rest, this method makes me more confident in writing and can solve my problem in writing. The 4th, reading skills. We asked number 1, yes, I have problem or difficulty reading. Number 2, I feel very lazy and bored when I see writing that is so long. It makes me lazy and bored when I finish reading it. Number 3, yes, there may be several reasons. Number 4, the reason may be in terms of time, so that I have more time for other activities that then I have to read. Maybe even in my free times, I prefer to sleep than read. Number 5, yes, of course. Number 6, lack of knowledge. As we know that books are the window to the world, and reading is the key to the window to the world. Number 7, maybe already. Number 8, the method I use may be to start looking for novels, books, or comics that interest me so that I can create a sense of wanting to read. Number 9, yes, of course. Number 10, this method might really be able to solve this problem because on the other hand, the book I read are books that make me interested so that they can make me knit continuously. I think that's all. Thank you very much.